Essential skills for a successful logistics coordinator. Supply chain operations are complex and require significant coordination between numerous parties. As such, logistics coordinators must possess various essential skills to handle this role effectively. Leadership. The top priority for any successful logistics coordinator is the ability to lead and manage people in their organization. Logistics coordinators must be effective communicators as they must handle a wide range of personnel inside and outside their organization. Analytical skills. Analyzing data is an important part of their job. They must use information such as sales trends and customer demand to inform decisions about inventory levels and delivery schedules. They must be able to quickly analyze large amounts of data and draw meaningful conclusions from it. Organizational skills. They must also be highly organized to ensure that all necessary information is readily available and up to date and that orders are properly tracked and delivered on schedule. They must prioritize tasks, multitask, and maintain an organized work environment. Time management. They must have excellent time management abilities to manage multiple tasks simultaneously while ensuring all deadlines are met. They need to plan and anticipate potential problems before they occur. Technical skills. Along with the skills listed above, they must possess certain technical knowledge. It includes everything from the basics of Microsoft Office to more advanced software such as enterprise resource planning programs, inventory management systems, and transportation management systems. Logistics software is an ever-evolving field requiring them to stay updated with the latest programs and technology. Customer service. They are often the point of contact between their organization and clients or vendors, so they must possess excellent customer service skills. They must communicate effectively, answer questions, and resolve any issues quickly and efficiently to deliver customer satisfaction. They must oversee multiple processes in the supply chain operations. So having a variety of essential skills is necessary to ensure the successful completion of their role. With the right combination of leadership, analytical, organizational, time management, technical, and customer service skills, they can ensure the smooth flow of goods and services within any organization. To learn about tanker trucks, check out our previous video.